You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn the engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. This will allow you to access the headlight bulbs. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Grab the bulb's connector and pull it out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, grasp the body side tab at the bottom of the headlight with your fingertips and rotate it to the left. The whole thing should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same thing in reverse for reassembly. To change the high beam and side light bulbs, remove the cover on the grille side by rotating it a quarter turn to the left. To change the H1 high beam bulbs, simultaneously press and pull to the right to release the clip from the retaining nut. Flip the clip downwards, then remove the bulb. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, carefully check that you put it in the right way round. Spot the location of the positioning pins. Then remount the metal clip. To replace the side lights, stay in the same compartment. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the light cover back on, pivoting it a quarter turn to the right. Operation complete.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.